Family, was good? Welcome to Doctor's Financial. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, my name is Dr. V. In this video, I want to show the family a quick and easy way to find great companies to invest in, especially when we're having a red week like we had on this past week and possibly more downturns in the market. Now, this is a quick and easy way to do it, but before I get into it, I kindly ask, hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out, comment down below, but most of all, share with others. Alrighty, let's quickly get into it. So what I have here is simply go to Google, go to Yahoo, and I'm going to walk this through the easiest way. Just go to Yahoo Finance, click Finance. If you could go straight to Yahoo Finance, but I want to do this nice and easy so everyone understands it. Go to Finance, click Finance. Go along here, go to Screeners. Hit Screeners. Let it do what it's gonna do. Come on, computer. There we are. Now, in this type of market, you want to stay, in my opinion, this is just ideas from me. What I'm personally doing is I'm staying away from the ultra high PE ratio or stocks that's not companies that's not really making earnings yet, or those growth stocks, penny stocks, those super high growth stocks. I'm staying away from those. What I want to look at are some of the bigger name stocks that are actually making money. So I'm looking at the undervalued large caps and then the growth technology stocks. So quickly looking at the growth technology stocks, just click on it. And we can see the filters are already applied. They already have quarterly revenue growth year over year. That's what Y over Y means. Between 25 to 50 and 50 to 100. And less than 100%. So they're having year over year growth. They had the EPS change 25 to 50, 50 to 100, less than 100. Technology sector, I like the technology stocks, and then of course the exchanges, Nasdaq and New York Stock Exchange. And we can easily see here the companies that dominate this list: Apple, Nvidia, AMD. MU, Micron. We can see all of those companies, HP, Qualcomm. We can go on and on. Company I talk about a lot, Square. But this is a great and easy way to get some investment ideas about some of the companies that we should be looking at while the market is where it is. Now, once you find some of these stocks, some of these companies rather, you can go in, look at the fundamentals to see how strong of a footing the company is financially, and also look at the technical analysis to see what are some good prices to get into some of these companies. Now, one company I got into last week during a downturn I want you to take a look at was Nvidia. You see it here on the list. Found it on the list. I look at Nvidia, and then let's go right to this candle here. We can see on the 19th, Nvidia, which it got as low as $187.62. I didn't catch it at the bottom, but I did catch Nvidia around $189.50. And we can see the very next day on the 20th, which was Friday, Nvidia went all the way up to 208. And it closed around 208.16. So that was great to see. And there may be some further pullback. And if it is, I already know a good price where to get into a company like Nvidia under the 190s if it happens to do that again, or if there's any further pullback in the market overall. But what I just want to show the family is a quick and easy way, like I was saying, how to find some great companies to get into while the market is going down. Also using the charts to get into some of the find a great price to get into the company, and then hold it for the long term. And these are companies I'm looking at. These aren't companies I'm looking to swing trade. These are companies I'm getting into now with the market being what it is. Getting into building positions now for the long term. In my personal opinion, it's not time for me to be trading, swing trading right now. It's time for me to find some great companies at discounted prices because the market is in the downturn for me to hold for the long term. All right, family. So that was a free, quick and easy way using a free tool, Yahoo Finance, that we can all use, that's available and accessible to just about anybody to use to find great investments. If you're looking for more investment ideas, go ahead, subscribe to the channel. Definitely, if you got anything, like the video, comment down below. Most of all, share this with others. I'm going to be bringing this video to a close. I pray that each and every one of you be blessed, gain knowledge, and go out there and make money in the stock market. Thank you for rocking with me through another video. Family, be blessed.